If you're bothered by people sending you WhatsApp audios, you will be interested in this news. This popular messaging platform has just announced a new feature that will now allow you to transcribe the audio messages that people send you. So there is no longer a need to listen to the audio, but you can simply read the transcript of that audio. Although this function must be activated manually in the settings. So you probably already have it available but didn't realize it. To activate the option, you have to go to Settings, then enter the Chats menu, and then the section that says Voicemail Transcriptions. Just click on that section to download the language pack, as the transcription will be made directly on your device. When you receive an audio, just press and hold on it, and then go to the menu at the top on Android, and then press the Transcribe button. The advantage is that if you transcribe these audios, when you search for a message, it will also detect the words that were mentioned in that audio. I love this because it's happened to me many times that I've been sent audios and then I need to look up some information that was said in that audio and I have to be listening to 32,000 audios. It is very annoying, so we can finally enjoy this option. It was an option that had already been anticipated for several months in the betas that were being tested, but it is finally available for all users, both Android and iOS. Let me know in the comments if you are going to activate this option or if you prefer to listen to the 30 minutes of audio that someone can send you.